Hey you guys, how you bossin'? This your girl Kaylee coming to you with another video. Today we're doing a quick tutorial of a keto recipe. I'm a keto girl and this is one of my favorite recipes. Let's make a keto pizza. So what we need is a bowl, 1 egg, a pack of mozzarella cheese, your good old pepperonis, and some Italian seasoning. And this is just for the basics. So that's 1 egg, a pack of mozzarella cheese, your good old pepperonis, Italian seasoning, and a bowl. Let's get started. First, we're gonna crack the egg. We're gonna whisk the egg. Next, we're gonna add the cheese. And what we're going to do here is we're going to make sure that the egg has saturated mostly each shred of cheese. Just want to give the cheese a light hue of yellow. And we'll just place the cheese onto the parchment paper, spread it out. And while you're doing all of this, you can definitely go ahead and put your stove on 350 degrees. And now we will mold it into the shape that we want our pizza. Make sure it's spread evenly, close any gaps that you see in the cheese. And here, add your topping. Like I stated, this is just the basis for the pizza. You can add any vegetables or other pizza toppings that you might like. But we're just gonna do pepperonis today. Get crazy with it. And if you're serious about your keto, you would definitely take note of how much you placed in. This was a 8-ounce bag of cheese, mozzarella cheese, 20 pepperonis, 1 egg, and the next step is just sprinkling. Sprinkle with a little bit of Italian seasoning. This is to your taste and to your liking. And now we bake for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
And we are back. Voila, our pizza. So it baked in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes and then broiled for 5 minutes to give it this brownish, crispy hue. And this is the finished product. We let it sit for 10 minutes to let it cool down. You can always reheat it. You can slice it and store it in the fridge for a couple days if you want to make this your evening snack, your afternoon snack, or just having it, cut it up and having it up for dinner. Depends on what you want to serve it as. But here is the finished product. More recipes to come. Enjoy!